Hey guys, we are here at IKEA and they have changed things around since the last time we came. Take a look. This section is now of food and dessert, and they have sparkling ciders and stuff in here. And all of this used to be up at the front. And they used to have plants back here. And yeah, this is really surprising. I really do like it though. So we're gonna grab some goodies. I think I'm gonna grab some strawberry spread. Look at this. I think I'm gonna grab some of that and a blueberry spread. That'll be really good on toast or bagel tomorrow morning for breakfast. But let's see, while we're here, let's see what else they've changed here at IKEA. Yo, I can't get 5 feet without stopping to pick something up. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing? It is a speaker lamp, and I really am feeling that. This one may have to go home with us. And I love the fact that it's green, because you know green is the color for this season. Look at these. They've really expanded their faux plant section this year. And I like this one with the cherry blossoms. That's pretty. Some of these you could tell, I mean, they're not the best quality of faux plant, because you can definitely tell that they are, but in a pinch they will do. I'm really impressed with the greenery section that they have here in IKEA. Now here in the mirrors, and they have really stepped it up. I'm going to show you guys some of these designs are absolutely incredible, and I just wish I had somewhere to put them in my home. So look at this one, guys. That I kind of have a modern Afrocentric design, minimalist in my house, and I really love that mirror. I just don't know where I would put it, but look at all of these, guys. I love the wood, the various wood tones, and this one is only $24, and it was $29. I'm going to focus in on these so you guys can see them. I like the way that they put this together. And then they have sales on some of the larger mirrors too. So if you guys are on a hunt for a big mirror, this is a place to go. I love this one with the gold trim. Look at that one. This mirror is huge. I'm 5'3", and I feel like a kid looking into this mirror. Okay, we're in my section that I absolutely love, because there's nothing like a pillowcase or some well-placed pillows that can help to change the design in a room. And I love this one. This fabric is so heavy and nice, and I love the raised embroidery. These are really fun because it looks like it's got little pom-poms on the outside. So this will automatically add texture to your room. This is perfect for the summer. It's got that linen look, and it's stretchy. good for a kid's room. So I have these at home that I use in my bedroom, or our bedroom. So I'm looking for a couple to add to the bed in the guest bedroom, as well as maybe kind of spice up the living room a little bit. And I don't really see anything in here that I don't already have at home, or that I think that would do that, but I am going to keep exploring. So let's see, they have the greens and blues over here. Like I said, you know, that's not really the motif of the house, but I am over here in the blacks, and I do like this pattern. I like this one. This reminds me, we saw this one in tan on the other side. It's really a nice heavy fabric with the embroidery, so I think that works well. And oh, I like this one. This one to me is, you could put this with a lot of different designs, styles. So this one works really well. In fact, I'm gonna get 2 of these. And I like the weave on this one, but no, I think this guy is going to be the one. Yes, and they have 2. So I'll be taking these home because these will look really good on the sofa or our bedroom. Okay, everybody, we are back home from IKEA, and I have these pillowcases that we bought. So this is the setup of the couch right now. It is a taupe couch, and we have light tan and black pillows, and I think I'm going to change the black one and one of these cream colors to this pattern. So give me a minute. I'm gonna step away and change the pillows, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have put the new pillows on the sofa, and I've moved some of the other ones around to get the right, which I think is the right color combination that works for me. So we start in this corner, and we have this very light linen colored pillow, and then we have one of the pillowcases that we bought, or pillow covers that we bought. So we covered an existing pillow, and then we kept the black leather pillow cover as well as the Berber cover, because it's a contrasting texture along with the linen pillow cover behind it. And then we pan around and we see we have a visitor on the couch. Say hi, honey. No, she's not ready. And then we have the other set. And once the queen of the house moves, then that pillow is going to be moved. The pillow in the front is going to be moved to the proper position. But this just shows you how, just by changing your pillow covers, you can have a completely different look, and how it can update a room. So yeah, for 25 bucks. And like I said, we were able to update the look of the room with that just simple adjustment, but we didn't have to spend the money on the fillers for the pillows. We don't have storage problems because we have all these pillows that are around here. We're just changing the cover. So that is a wrap for our visit to IKEA. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please feel free to put comments at the bottom. Follow, like, subscribe, friend us, because we really enjoy filming this content for you guys. Feel free to share it with family and friends, anyone who you think would be interested in this video.